Welcome, geometry students, to Friday. It's finally Friday, October 9th. So, congratulations on getting through another week. Let's finish the week well today, please. Please work hard in class. We have a lot to do. You'll have a quiz coming up next week. I will give you more information on that next week. At this time, please turn in your cumulative review. Now, some of you turned it in yesterday, and that's a great job. Some did not. So please put your name on it and turn it in now at this time. Thank you. Incompletes for this class. A lot of you turned in a lot of stuff, and I appreciate it. Haley, if you took your Chapter 3 test, I did not see it, so I need to hear from you. You've emailed me before, so I know you've got my email address. Just email me, let me know what's going on. Maybe you took it in another class, or maybe you told me you were going to take it on Friday today. I'm not sure, but anyways, let's get that taken care of. Thank you. And if you took it yesterday and a teacher forgot to put it in my box, please respectfully remind that teacher to put it in my box, okay? Will, if you turn this in, just ignore this. I did not have time to go through all the homework like I usually do. And so if you turn this in, don't worry about it. If you did not, you have until today or it will become a permanent zero, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and hopefully you'll get that turned in today, or hopefully it was turned in yesterday. Moving on, and by the way, guys, I'm a little behind on grading things. I told you I'm taking a trip this weekend. I'm leaving tomorrow, so I did not grade a lot of stuff tonight, okay? If you are absent one day or many days, the first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it, okay? So, I've said it, you know it, it's your responsibility to stay on top of your videos while you're out absent. The only exception to that is if you pre-contact me and let me know. If you do that, I will gladly work with you, okay? So, there you go, you've been warned. Moving on. Today we'll be starting Chapter 4 and also working on homework, okay? Now, let me give you a little rundown on what Chapter 4 is all about, okay? We're going to be getting into triangles in Chapter 4, which sounds a little simple, but actually it's you're going to learn a lot of stuff about triangles you did not know, okay? Now, Chapter 4 is about congruent triangles, so we're going to be looking at what congruent triangles are in this chapter. We're going to be looking at special angles inside of a triangle and relationships to exterior and interior angles. We're going to be learning ways to prove that triangles are congruent, just like we learned ways to prove that lines are parallel. We're going to be learning ways to prove that triangles are congruent. It's actually pretty challenging stuff. And then we're going to learn to use congruent triangles to do some proofs and stuff like that. And then we're going to learn some extra stuff about isosceles triangles and right triangles. Then Chapter 5 gets into triangles even more, about some special segments within triangles and stuff like that. So Chapter 4, though, is predominantly about triangles. The video today is about congruent triangles, and look how much stuff we're going to cover today, guys. It is a full video, okay? It's a lot of information about congruent triangles, parts of certain types of triangles, classification of triangles by sides and angles, and a lot more. The lesson 4.1 is foundational for the rest of the Chapter 4. Please take really good notes and please really pay attention to what is being taught. The name of the teaching video is Congruent Triangles. It's about 33 minutes long. The homework assignment that is due Monday is right there. Please copy that down. It is a pretty big assignment, about 37 problems, but the entire help video is about 36 minutes long. I think you'll get about probably a fourth of this done, maybe a third, and then you finish it up over the weekend by about 30 minutes of homework over the weekend. So I've put a little bit of extra work on you, but we don't do that very often. You'll be fine. So page 166, those numbers there, and there's the help video, geometry, track 1, lesson 4.1 homework. Your homework is due on Monday. I have passed back your quizzes. I'm not going to do a quiz correction video, and here's why. We've already taken the test, guys. If we've already taken the test, there's really no need to do that. So, I will give you a test correction video next week. We will do that, but as in terms of a quiz correction video, we're not going to do that. You've already taken the test, so there's no need. Students, that's all for today. Please get started with your teaching video and then your homework. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all.